India's taxation system is going through a shift. The GST Council has approved new reforms that will directly impact the prices of everyday electronics, from TVs and ACs to washing machines and refrigerators. These changes will determine how much the end customers, that is you and me, will actually need to pay at the counter when buying a new gadget or appliance for your home. As the festive season is around the corner, you may be planning to buy a new TV or AC. Now in this video, we will discuss how these cuts will impact the end consumers. The government has announced that there will be only two GST slabs from now on, which is 5% and 18%. Previously, many electronics were placed in the 28% category, but they have now been moved to the 18% slab. The reforms will come into effect from September 22nd. So what about mobile phones and laptops? These devices will continue to attract 18% GST. This means there will be no direct price cut for these products and current price trends will remain unchanged. Now the most significant change is for TVs. Earlier, they were in the 28% slab, but now GST has been reduced to 18%. This means prices of LED and LCD TVs, monitors, projectors and even set-top boxes are set to come down soon. Meanwhile, AC and dishwashers have also been moved to the 18% GST slab. According to reports, AC prices could drop by around Rs 1500 to Rs 2500 depending on the model. Apart from all this, refrigerators and washing machines have also been moved to the 18% GST slab. This means there could be a noticeable price relief across these crucial home appliances. So the bottom line is, if you are planning to buy a new TV, AC, washing machine or a refrigerator, their prices will come down under the new GST rates. However, prices of smartphones and laptops will remain unchanged. Now the main goal of these GST reforms is to simplify tax slabs and give customers some relief, so that your next electronic upgrade may be easier on your pocket. So which product are you eyeing to buy after the GST reforms? Tell us in the comment section below and stay tuned for more such updates on the new GST changes. इस वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।